Welcome to EssAnnPee Knowledge Series. In this episode, let's dive into a powerful concept authored by Mr. Panigrahi. Trystorming, the act of innovation and the art of doing, from idea to impact. Now, what exactly is trystorming? It's not just your usual brainstorming session. Trystorming is about rolling up your sleeves, getting your hands dirty, and testing ideas in real life, right from the start. Instead of only talking and listing ideas, you move straight to action, building quick models or prototypes and learning on the spot what works and what doesn't. Traditional brainstorming is valuable, yes, but it often ends with notes on a whiteboard. Trystorming, on the other hand, bridges the gap between thinking and doing. You get immediate feedback, discover real barriers, and see new opportunities, which is especially critical in fast-moving fields like data science, AI, and innovation project management. Let us break down the trystorming process. It starts with focused brainstorming. Gather your team and generate as many ideas as you can, but keep the problem at the center. It's not about quantity alone, it's about finding ideas that can make a difference. Next, you narrow it down. Pick out the ideas that show real promise based on originality, cost, complexity, and your specific needs. Then comes the heart of trystorming: rapid prototyping and trying. Don't wait for perfection. Use simple materials: cardboard, markers, tape, even sketches on a paper. The goal is to make your idea real, even if it's rough around the edges. Then test it. Try out your prototype in a real or simulated environment. Watch what happens, get everyone's feedback. What's working, what's not? Don't be afraid of mistakes. In fact, mistakes are your best teachers here. Learn from mistakes, make corrections, and improve. After testing, iterate. Use what you learned to make the idea better. Or if needed, go back and try something completely different. This loop of trying, learning, and improving is the fuel that drives real innovation. Let's recap the key principles of trystorming. Action-oriented. Don't just talk, do. Keep it simple. Cheap and fast prototypes are enough. Embrace failure. Every mistake is a lesson. And finally, involve everyone. Innovation thrives on collaboration and hands-on effort. Trystorming is how you move from idea to impact. It's the bridge between imagination and reality, especially when you need to quickly validate new concepts, improve a process, or develop a new product. So next time your team gathers to innovate, remember, don't just brainstorm, trystorm. Trystorming is fundamentally a method of prototyping in real time. It's the action-oriented extension of brainstorming, where ideas aren't just discussed. They're immediately brought to life through a quick, tangible prototype. Trystorming is the engine of innovation, turning bold new product ideas into tangible, testable realities with speed and purpose. Trystorming is the spark of Kaizen, transforming continuous improvement from a philosophy into a hands-on, action-driven reality. Its philosophy is to fail early, fail fast, fail often. The goal isn't to create a perfect solution on the first try, but to quickly test multiple ideas to see what works and what doesn't. Finally, to find the breakthrough workable idea faster. Put your ideas to the test, learn fast, and create impact, just as Mr. Panigrahi advocates. Thank you for joining the EssAnnPee Knowledge Series. Take action, keep innovating, and make your tryst with greatness a reality. Do you find the presentation informative and useful? If yes, then click like. And also subscribe the channel for free to receive updates. For more details, contact EssAnnPee at the below contact details.